How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver. In the last episode of Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver, we got to Cerulean City and Celadon City, and off screen I granted our Pokemon up to level 54, and I brought back Scout to use some HMs in this game. And in this episode, we're going to take on a few gyms. In the last episode, we talk on some few gyms. So yeah, in this episode, we are full story mode on. And off screen I battled these guys. Where should I go? I think let's go this way. Is there any secret entrance? I don't see. What the fuck? Oh shit, there is a way here. Okay. You can skip Plume. Flying doesn't resist flying, if I remember. Yes. And Sokka is very close to learning a new move at level 55, guys. You know what that move is? It's Mega Horn, of course. It will be Mega Horn. And in the next episode, we're going to take on Sabrina. And we learning Mega Horn can really help us with Sabrina. And I might exit this gym and come back in. And okay. We are almost at Erika now. Executor, that is gonna be annihilated with a Shadow Claw. Shadow Claw is more base power, and Egg Bomb will not do anything to us. So, rest in peace. We are almost at level 55, guys. We are almost there. So nice. Virus, Aerial Ace. Thank God we have Aerial Ace. And Heracross learns Aerial Ace by level up, not even in TM. So I think it learns at level 7 or so. And Sokka is level 55 and wants to learn Mega Horn. I need Shadow Claw for the next gym. So Aerial Ace is the way. And we defeated this player. Okay guys, we are at Erika. I'm gonna save the game. Okay guys, let's battle Erika. Here we go, Ethan versus Celadon City's gym leader, Erika, the Kimono girl. Erika is gonna open up with her level 51 jump love, which gonna annihilate with, and it got chlorophyll. I can feel it. It had chlorophyll. So chlorophyll, you have chlorophyll. So nice. And we carried it anyways. Nice. And she's gonna send out her victory bell, which is at level 56. Are you kidding me, bro? Mega Horn. Please. No. Why can't the gym leaders are this strong? I don't know. In the Johto games, they are simply very easy, man. And I forgot to teach Psychic. Nice. Synthesis? You have synthesis? And I have nothing? And you have solar beam. You are joking with me, nice. Hurting yourself. Now you're gonna use full restore. I knew it, dang it! Should have gone for full restore. I already broke the rule to not use any healer. Okay. The sun is gone, thankfully. And you observed sunlight. Yes, you can't even use solar beam. We are under-leveled, guys. Can't believe it. I thought I might just have over-leveled, but we are under-leveled. So we just defeated Erika, guys. So yeah, and she gave me Giga Drain. And nice, Giga Drain. Should have given me Leaf Storm, you Erika. Freaking lady. And there is a... Why this path is very narrow? I don't know. And yeah, I am messing this up very hard. I'm messing this up. Okay, guys, we are outside. And yeah, I'm gonna heal up and I'll see you guys in the Saffron City gym. Okay, guys, we are back at Saffron City's gym now. Saffron City now. And let's check on Sabrina if possible. But before that, I think this is Mr. Psychic's house. No, there is a fishing rod. TM29 Psychic. Finally, after 3,500 years, we got Psychic, which could have been very helpful in the gym. But me being me, forgot to pick this up. So let's quickly teach it to Saya, of course. Okay, which move should be forgotten. Bye bye, Saibi. And after 3,600 years, guys, we learned Psychic. But yeah, let's go into the gym. And last time I done a second 2 gyms in one episode. It is in this playthrough. But yeah, look at these graphics, man. I know how to. Let's quickly take on these girls. Whatever you wanna call them. Shadow Claw. Gyro Ball. No problem. And you are giving me so much less EXP. Why I am saying this? I don't know. I think in the remakes they changed the gym model. Let's check on this guy. And he sent out his Mr. Mime. I sent out my... What? No, I misclicked. But we killed it anyways. So why I'm saying like this? I don't know. So let's use Shadow Claw. I am saving Mega Horns for the gym leader. And he sent out his another execute. Shadow Claw. And we are almost at level 56 now. I think we are at Sabrina now. No. And I think in this episode I'm not gonna take on Sabrina, guys, because I don't want to. In the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver, we're gonna take on Sabrina. So I'm gonna end this episode right here, right now. And yeah, that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver. Peace out. And Shoka grew to level 56. And yeah, that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver. Peace out.